The Renaissance was a pivotal period in European history, generally spanning from the 14th to the 17th century. The word, Renaissance, itself is French for rebirth, which perfectly encapsulates the spirit of this era. It marked a profound transition from the Middle Ages to modernity, characterized by a vigorous revival and reinterpretation of classical Greek and Roman ideas, art, literature, and philosophy. Here's a breakdown of its key characteristics. Humanism. This was a central intellectual movement that placed a strong emphasis on human potential, achievements, and capabilities. It fostered a belief in the dignity and worth of the individual, encouraging the pursuit of knowledge in secular subjects like history, poetry, and rhetoric, in addition to theology. Revival of classical learning. There was a fervent rediscovery and study of ancient Greek and Roman texts, leading to a renewed appreciation for classical literature, philosophy, and art. Scholars sought to understand the world through reason and observation, drawing inspiration from classical antiquity. Artistic innovation. The Renaissance witnessed an extraordinary explosion of creativity in painting, sculpture, and architecture. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Raphael developed new techniques such as linear perspective, chiaroscuro, and sfumato, creating masterpieces that emphasized realism, human emotion, and harmonious composition. Scientific advancement. While not a scientific revolution, in the later sense, the Renaissance laid crucial groundwork for it. There was a growing spirit of inquiry and observation, leading to significant developments in anatomy, astronomy e.g., Copernicus's heliocentric model and mathematics. The invention of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg around 1440 revolutionized the dissemination of knowledge, accelerating the spread of new ideas. Exploration and discovery. This period coincided with the Age of Discovery, where European explorers embarked on ambitious voyages across the globe, leading to the mapping of new lands and the establishment of new trade routes. This expanded the European worldview and had profound impacts on global interactions. Secularism. While religion remained important, there was a noticeable shift in focus from solely religious matters to worldly affairs and human experiences. This didn't mean a rejection of faith, but rather an expanded interest in the here and now. Patronage of the arts. Wealthy individuals, powerful families like the Medici in Florence, and the church heavily patronized artists, architects, and scholars, providing the financial support necessary for the creation of magnificent works and the flourishing of intellectual pursuits. The Renaissance began in Italy, particularly in city-states like Florence, and gradually spread across Europe, influencing various regions at different times. It profoundly reshaped European society, culture, and thought, bridging the gap between the medieval and modern worlds.